can't.
We want to raise our level riding dirt bikes, but we also want to raise our level in our relationship with God. Okay?
Oh, I need a left, but he can't do that.
It's a third way.
You did not create us to have a spirit of fear. Where there is fear, there is no faith.
Elbows, weight in the rear end. Carry that momentum, get off the rear brake a little bit. Use that front brake, and a big thing, obviously, weight that outside peg.
Just try standing up through the whole corner a few times and then we'll back it off a little bit, but just to get the feeling of it.
Chase Sexton, Gent Lawrence, all those guys are holding on with their legs, okay? The feet are turned in, they're gripping that bike snug, and that way they can hold onto the bike going fast. All right, how was it? Good. You guys had fun?
Afraid of something, and you've got to get to the point you figure out what is that thing that you're afraid of. What is it that is holding you back?